Well, I feel elated, excited, and very, very happy. Happy for the completion and the commissioning of this police station, which was born during the ENSA protest. We thank God because we have been under policed, but now with the promise of the Commissioner of Police that work will start immediately from this station, we are very confident and we have more rest of mind.
Joyful in the sense that we lost this police station some years ago, and Ikere is fast developing. As a cosmopolitan town, the few police stations we have is inadequate. So it's a thing of joy.
Destruction of public facility can never be the solution to social grievance. Public institutions belong to all of us. When they are destroyed, it is the entire community that suffers the constituency.
As the DPO in Ikere, crime and criminalities will be the thing of the past. As the son of the soil too, I will work 24 hours to make sure that Ikere is safe and every citizen of Ikere will be able to have a very sound sleep and we have their 2 eyes closed.
I can arrest any suspect before any area commander or before any police can release that suspect. If there is a need, they must call you and tell you the reason why they want to release him. And failure to do so, to call me.